2024 4th of July fireworks stash. Let's take a look at what I got. Picked up a pack of Royal Flush candles, 5-ball Roman candles by Legend. Picked up a parachute candle, 5-shot parachute by Hot Fireworks. A pack of Pyro Diablo candles. I'm assuming they're probably pretty much the same thing as the Legend, the monsters. See here, Top Gun. Pack of 5-ball parachute candles from Top Gun. And a pack of Base Jump Roman candles from Brothers. Let's see here. These are a daytime candle also. 5 shots. That'll be cool. Don't know what those do yet. Picked up Neon Smoke Sticks, 6-piece by Hot Fireworks. A pack of Thunderstruck rockets. Let's kick this off. Fountain by Miracle, little football shaped fountain. Dream Tree Fountain by Pyro Diablo. Tangled Web Fountain by Brothers. Star Blazer helicopters by I think that's FOA. It looks like theirs. Angry Hornet smoke copters by Brothers. Strobing Roman candle, 5-ball, a big 5-ball strobing Roman candle by Hot. Take a look at that back there. And then in the back here I got the road cone. Oops. Got the road cone fountain by Magnus. Got Inspect This Gadget by T-Sky. Hillbilly Deluxe. Hillbilly Deluxe there by Ruthless. Hillbilly Deluxe by Ruthless Fireworks. Got this latte fountain by Do Re Mi. Then I'll go with Sleepless Seattle by Wild Dragon. And then I got the T-Force Tank by Brothers. Box of Tiger Tails by FOA. Dominator Big Bees. Box of those. The Batmobile by, who's the Batmobile by? Look at the performance. I don't know who the Batmobile's by. Probably FOA though on that one. Got the Crackling Mega Cone by Flashing. Space Jumping little flyers. Extreme Ground Bloom by Major League Pyro. Try Whistling Wheel by Generic. Giant Ground Bloom Flowers by Flashing. Dominator Try Wheel. 2 Black Hornets flyers. Zoomers. Ground Blooms. Flashbang Firecrackers by Fire Factory. These are some bigger boys. Big Bobbers. They really blow. Peacemaker 1 by Dominator. Got 4 punks. And then got this Prophecy. 22 shots with the UFO by Miracle. Excited about that one. Shoots. 250 shot parachute by Brothers. Airmail by Winda Fallon. Puzzle Cube by Winda Fallon. Charm by Monkey Mania Fountain. And then back in the back there I got Grill on Fire Fountain by Magnus. Oh yeah, I'm gonna drop this. And then I also got the Head Spin by Winda. Little spinners. And then got a case of Color Smoke helicopters by Wenda. I didn't get it all out because there's a lot in there. There's 48 4-packs. Case of Spyro Spark. Wheel by Bright Star. Take a look at that. Comes with a little base and a stick. Dual wheels. Excited about that. I did pick up 2 TPs, but I broke both of them, unfortunately. I don't know if I'll be able to put them back together, but that's just the base. That part's the base. There's nothing in there, really. Hopefully someone do with some of those. Picked up a case of Rattlesnake candle. 7-ball shooters by Wenda. And then picked up a case of Nishiki. Actually, I picked up 2 cases of Nishiki Kimura. 6-pack shells by Miracle. And I was really excited about these. Picked up a case of Killer Torpedoes by Miracle. 7-inch, longest ones yet. 4 unique sets. Hoping they're going to be good. 6-inch bombs are awesome, so I'm hoping those will probably be good. Got a lot of Miracle here because they're one of the best. One of my favorite companies. They make the good stuff. Got a case of the Bazooka by Miracle. 5-inch canister shells. 6 assorted neon, so those are like neon themed ones. Picked up a case of Here Comes the Boom by Miracle. NOAB, 9 out of box. Got a Friendly Fire canister shell kit. Got a Tiki Bomb 6-inch canister shell set. Got a Mother of All Fireworks by Raccoon. Got a Out of This World shell kit by Miracle. Got a pack of Black Mag by Pyro Predator. Got a 24 kit of Ultimate Force by Miracle. I think those are 4-inch shells. I'm not sure. I haven't had those ones yet. Got them to test them out. And this is the other case of Nishiki Kimura by Miracle. Those are some great Nishiki. Can't wait to light those off. Got 2 cases of Total Eclipse NOAB by Miracle. Got 2 cases of this Justice for All by Miracle. 600 shot unique Roman candle Z-shaped cake. I really like these. I have one by a sorted case by Manus last year, and it was great. These Roman candle cakes are great. So I got 2. That comes 3-1 in that case. And then I got a case of Super Stunt by Wenda. Great cake. Everybody knows this probably by now. This you just can't go wrong. One of the best 12-shot cakes. Picked up a Sky Bangers shell kit by Pyro Box. And a Zombie shell kit by Grand Patriot. And then I picked up a case of Cactus Jack. And this is the reason I got this one was it's a combo fountain mine cake. Kind of excited about that, so I was like, oh, I'll get that. I like those cakes. Those will be fun to throw on the show or something. And then I also picked up a Miracle Echo Blast maximum load, highest quality 84 shell kit with 124 breaks, single, double, triple canisters. Although there's no canisters in here, it just comes with these, like, I don't know what you call these, but I call them cylindrical ball shells. But haven't had one of these in a long time, and just thought I'd get one. Used to love getting these back in the day before like canister shells were out. If you wanted a big shell kit, these kind of kits are like what, you know, the best you could get. And it just doesn't seem like many people get those much anymore, so that'll be fun to light. Maybe I'll demo it or something. So yeah, it's a look at the stash.